Welcome to the assembly video of Tesgo Seeker Pro. First, cut open the shipping straps and then proceed to open the box. Take out the accessory box and the bike. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. Let's open that small box to see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a handbook, reflectors, a bag of tools, pedals, and a charger. Now let's install the handlebar. Remove the screws and the attachment on the headset stem first. Install the handlebar to it. Install the attachment and the screws back. Make sure the handlebar is in the right position and fasten the screws to keep the handlebar in place. Gently pick up the bike, take the hub axle off, and then the brake pad protector. You will no longer need them. Now let's install the front wheel. Remove the protectors of the front wheel and loosen nuts and spacer. Pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel, put it between the spacer and the nut. Please pay attention to the right position of the spacer, and then fasten the nuts. Now, let's install the front light and the front fender. Remove the bolts and washers. Use them to install the front light first. Add the front fender to the other side. Fix them in place together. Remove the screws on the front fork and secure the front fender, and do the same for the other side. Next, you need to attach the pedals. Identify the left pedal with a label L and the right pedal with a label R. Take the right pedal, screw it clockwise onto the crank by hand, then tighten it firmly using the number 15 wrench. Take the left pedal, screw it anti-clockwise onto the crank by hand, then tighten it firmly using the number 15 wrench. Now, let's install the reflectors. Just use the tool that came with the bike, fasten the screws to install it. Unfold the seat post clamp and adjust the saddle to your comfortable riding height. Fasten the screw on the clamp and then fold the clamp back to tighten it. Complete assembly, double check, and make sure the seat post and handlebar are firmly installed. Turn on the battery, kick off the kickstand, open the quick release to unfold the bike frame. You will find the battery inside the bike frame. Press the red button of the battery to turn it on, then fold the bike and fasten the quick release again. Press the power button to turn on the LCD display. Test the front light. Test the bike horn. Test the throttle. You can press the plus/minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1-5, and then press the throttle. The motor gets power. Test the thumb shifter. The USB port on the display controller can charge your phone. Remove the plastic inside the rear light and it can be used. Test the front fork. The stiffness of it can be adjusted by rotating the red cap. Charge the battery. The charging port is located on the left side of the bike. The pedals and the bike can be folded like this. Take the keys, use it to unlock the battery, and you can take the battery out of the bike frame. The charging port is located near the red button. When you install the battery back to the bike, don't forget to use the key to lock it. That's it. Your Tesgo e-bike is ready to ride. Before every ride, check your e-bike carefully to ensure it is ready to go. Thanks for watching.